Hi guys, today we are making a liquid hand wash out of soap. You can use your used soaps. Also, I'm using a new one. I'm cutting it into half and using only half of the soap. Now you can cut the soap into pieces like this. Be careful at this. Or if you have a grater, you can grate the soap in it. It will be like this. After grating the whole soap, you can take it into a plate or a bowl. This is glycerin. You can find it in any medical shop nearby. Now you can heat 2 glasses of water and pour the grated soap into it. Stir it gently until it gets mixed completely. You can off the gas and pour 1 tablespoon of glycerin into it. After leaving it overnight, it will become smoother and thicker. You can store it in an old hand wash bottle or in a hand sterilizer bottle or even in a normal water bottle. You can make holes in the cap and use it. I'm using an old hand wash bottle and filling it up. Now when your hand wash is ready to use, this is how you have to use it. Friends, like the video and share it to your other friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to get early notification